welcome back to the Disney Parks Now. Today we have several Disney Parks FIGPINs. Some of them are for the 50th anniversary. Some of them are just some characters from the parks. And today we are going to be unboxing them. I found them at Disney's California Adventure earlier this year. They're still available, and you can find them throughout the parks at both Walt Disney World and Disneyland. So, without further ado, let's take a closer look. To unbox, we have Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse in their 50th anniversary outfits, as well as Figment from Journey into Imagination with Figment at Epcot, and the Orange Bird from Adventureland at the Magic Kingdom Park. So let's, they're all in these acrylic boxes, and Figment is number 683, Mickey Mouse is 773, Minnie Mouse is 772, and Orange Bird is 684. And again, I found them at Disney's California Adventure near Soarin'. They were all $24.99 each. Here's Mickey Mouse out of the packaging, and in the display case works like this. You have it in a nice little display case, and if you want to open it, you just simply pop it off, and then the background is double-sided. This is also can be used as a collector's card as well. And then in order to take the pin off the stand, you just sort of take off this silicone backing and then put it right back on. It's a pretty nice size pin. It's about an inch tall, an inch or so tall. It's quite big. Minnie Mouse, again, same features with the packaging, and again, it's 50th anniversary Minnie Mouse, so she's in her 50th outfit, and on the back, instead of Mickey Mouse, it's of course Minnie Mouse. Same size, and, you know, she goes pretty well. They also have Chip and Dale in their 50th outfits, but they're pretty expensive, so I only got Mickey and Minnie for the 50th. And now let's move on to these other Disney parks. Here is Orange Bird and Figment. Let's open these up because they have a little bit different stylings in them than the other two. So inside are Orange Bird and Figment, the back of their cards. Oh, look at that art. Look at that artwork. That's amazing artwork of Orange Bird and Figment. And then inside, they each have their own different pattern correlating to their character, which is, I really appreciate that level of detail. Oops. And the characters themselves look really good. Figment with his eyes big and yellow, horns of a steer, but quite a lovable fellow. And then here's the Orange Bird with his bright orange head, with his green leaf arms. These truly make great collectibles. So these are all of them outside of their acrylic boxes. This is all of them inside of their acrylic boxes. The back of all their cards, their front backgrounds. This is them on their stand. This is the pins all off their stands. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or thought it was helpful, please be sure to give it a like. Again, I am not sponsored or affiliated by Disney or FIGPIN, so please just subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to be notified when a new content is uploaded. And we'll see you all next time on the Disney Parks Now. Have a magical day.